Hey everyone, Brian from Fat American Manufacturing Group. Today I wanted to show you guys our Kamishibai board that we're using digitally for engineering department. So as you can see here, we have a TV right up here on our wall in the engineering department. We talked about using a standard Kamishibai board with turnover tags. Since all the engineering department and most of the office space is doing all of their tasks on the computer, either apps or software programs, we decided to try to digitize a Kamishibai board so they're not walking over here and wasting the motion to flip a card. We wanted to create the discipline of the Kamishibai board so you can easily see where they're at on their tasks, but we also wanted it to be an interface that made sense for them. So let me show you how they interface with it. A little breakdown of the Kamishibai board. Across the top you can see they have their individual tasks for this particular thing. So this one here is Alex, and he's building factory crossbars for a Land Cruiser. So you can see initial design, share with chat, export DXFs, bend photo, test fit, finish photo, powder coat, build Epicor part numbers, update the price list, install assets, send product launch email, product launch, and then roll out all of the stuff for production. So what they're doing is as they complete their tasks, they are checking these off. So as you come down here, you can see on Collins, he still has to do several of these tasks to finish this product out. In the past, what we had was an Excel sheet with a bunch of jobs. And sometimes these engineers would get as many as 5 or 6 different things to go working on, and they would lose track of where they were. So we tried to go to a one-piece flow with literally one item. Them being able to jump around and do different tasks as they went, we thought maybe it would fill their time a little better. They also took on additional responsibilities that they didn't have previously. But now we found that after piloting one-piece flow, it just wasn't quite enough. So we actually went to a 2-piece flow, so they're each working on 2 products at once instead of 1 or 5, which was not good. So as they go through here, they finish this. I finished my bend photo. I check it, it turns green. So we can easily walk upstairs, see the board, see where everyone is on their projects, and then they have the accountability of the Kamishibai board. It wasn't a very expensive project. We have about a $300 TV, and then we have about $125 into a Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is actually what's loading this onto this TV. This TV is a TCL Roku TV, so it doesn't have a browser. We tried different dongles and stuff to bring browsers in, but what we found was that it doesn't do a refresh. So even though it'll load the browser, it won't constantly refresh. Well, we want that interactive feedback, so we want it to be updated at all times. So we built this little Raspberry Pi and we built a program into it, and it's plugged in here, and it just sits here and refreshes the same page over and over and over again. So if it's something that you guys are interested in doing, maybe this is something you want to roll out in your office space, reach out to me. Maybe we can help you guys get this set up. It's not a real expensive project, you know, about $300 or $400, and we can even share some of the Excel sheets that we have to do this. So anyways, you can reach right out to me. It's Brian, B-R-I-A-N, at jcroffroad.com. Thanks, guys.